In this video, I am going to talk about how you can download the latest version of Windows 10. If for any reason you want to download Windows 10, and of course, one reason could be better performance because Windows 11 have got so many elements that make it look more elegant. And we all know appearance is inversely proportional to performance. So if the appearance is a little bit low, the performance is a little bit high. If that's the case, here we go. Go with Windows 10. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the genuine ISO file of Windows 10. And that too from Microsoft. All you need to do here is you need to type download Windows 10 and hit enter. Now here is the link. And not to worry guys, I'm gonna also provide you this direct link in the description of this video so that you can reach to this page. And if you are new to Windows Nexus, I would consider you to subscribe, as in this channel, our objective is to elevate your Windows experience by providing you all variety of informations and necessary updates. Alright, let's come back to the topic. And here we have got these two options. The first one is to directly upgrade your Windows. But I would suggest or recommend you to go with the second one that lets you create a fresh Windows 10 installation media. All you need to do is you need to click on download now, and after this thing get downloaded, you need to connect your pen drive or flash drive to the system and then simply run the setup. You will see this kind of interface will come, which after some time showed me regarding acceptance of notice and license terms. So let's do that. Alright, so now the next step here is it is asking what do you want to do. So I'm gonna say create installation media. Okay, now let's click next, and then here I can uncheck this option, which is use the recommended option for this PC, which is really helpful if in case you want to install it into another PC. Now from here you can choose the language. I'm gonna keep everything as it is. Now let's click next. Now here you can either go for USB flash drive and connect pen drive, and then everything is straightforward. Here you should be able to see the pen drive name after you connect your pen drive, and all you need to do is you need to click on next, and that's how you're going to create a bootable drive. Or else you can also get this ISO. So all you need to do is you need to click on next, and now here I just need to specify where I would like to save this ISO. So I hope guys you now know how we can download either ISO or can create a bootable drive of Windows 10, and that too of latest and greatest version. And if so, and you find this video helpful and informational, please make sure you subscribe to Windows Nexus, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.